Dad.
Hey, Laura. You look quiet.
My head feels full, Dad.
Full of what, sweetie?
Full of thoughts.
Oh, what happened? Is everything okay?
School made me nervous again, Dad.
Tell me slowly, sweetie.
Teacher talked about tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, Dad. She said we will answer questions.
Ah,
She asked, "What will you do in the future?"
I see. Simple future tense.
I wanted to answer, Dad.
And?
My mouth stayed quiet.
Oh, that happens, sweetie.
Friends spoke fast.
It's okay.
I felt small.
Laura, listen. You are learning.
I also felt tired, Dad.
Long day?
Yes, very long, Dad.
Sweetie, drink water first.
Okay, Dad.
Good. Now breathe. Better?
A little.
Laura, future tense is friendly.
Friendly?
Yes, it talks about plans.
Plans?
Dreams. Tomorrow. Next week.
Oh,
Simple future tells what will happen later.
later?
Yes, not now, not yesterday, tomorrow.
Okay, Dad.
Let me give you an example. I will study.
I will study.
I will eat dinner.
I will eat dinner.
Good. Remember this easy formula, sweetie, for simple future tense. Subject plus will plus base verb.
Will plus base verb.
Yes. I will go. She will play. They will learn.
They will learn.
Perfect. Now tell me, sweetie, what will you do tomorrow?
I will wake up early.
Nice.
I will brush my teeth.
Good.
I will go to school.
Excellent.
I will try to speak English.
That makes me proud. Now let's practice some WH questions.
WH?
What? Where? When? Why? Who?
Okay, Dad.
Let's practice, sweetie. I ask, you answer. What will you eat?
I will eat rice.
Where will you go?
I will go to school.
When will you study?
I will study in the evening.
Great.
Dad,
Yes?
sometimes I feel scared to talk.
I know, sweetie.
Friends laugh, Dad.
Oh, that hurts.
But tomorrow
Yes?
I will try.
That is brave.
Even if my voice shakes.
Trying is winning. Shall we practice again, sweetie? Let's build more. Repeat after me. I will study English.
I will study English.
I will do homework.
I will do homework.
I will help my mother.
I will help my mother.
Very good. Now let's practice your dream day. What will you do on Sunday?
I will sleep late.
Okay.
I will eat pancakes.
Nice.
I will watch cartoons.
Good.
I will play outside.
Perfect Sunday. Now let's practice negative, sweetie. Will not, won't.
Won't.
Repeat. I won't cry.
I won't cry.
I won't give up.
I won't give up.
Beautiful. Let's practice your teacher's question, sweetie. What will you do after school?
I will come home.
Good. Who will help you?
My dad will help me.
Why will you learn English?
I will learn English for my future.
Perfect answer. Now let's practice a short paragraph.
Tomorrow, I will wake up early. I will go to school. I will listen to my teacher. I will try to speak English. I will come home and rest.
Very clear. Revision time, sweetie. Ready?
Ready, Dad.
Meaning?
Talk about future.
Formula?
Subject plus will plus verb.
Negative.
Won't.
WH.
What, where, when, why, who.
Excellent.
Dad,
Yes, Laura.
I was scared before.
I know.
Now I feel hopeful.
Because you learned, sweetie.
Tomorrow I will raise my hand,
Yes.
even if my voice shakes.
Excellent, my little champion. Good night, Laura.
Good night, Dad.